Hi guys! Mabuhay! For today's video, meron naman tayong panibagong i-unbox. Samahan ninyo ako. Tara! Ayun guys, so meron nga tayong i-unbox today. Ito yung high quality stainless storage shelf or CR rack. So ito ay nabili natin mula sa TikTok shop sa halagang 550 pesos lang plus shipping fee. Ito ay 3 tiers rack with large capacity para sa ating mga toiletries and laundry accessories. Ang nagustuhan ko talaga dito ay space saver siya para sa ating mga gamit sa loob ng CR. So hindi na natin kailangan magpako, magbutas sa loob ng CR para sa ating mga gamit. Ito lang sapat na. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito bukod sa madali siyang i-install o buuin ay yung kanyang pagiging stable and balance. So, ibig sabihin, yung ilalim kasi nito guys ay pwede natin i-adjust according sa sahig ng ating CR. So, kung pa-slant yung CR natin or pa-slant yung sahig, yung floor ng ating CR, meron tayong i-adjust sa pinakaibaba o sa pinakapaa ng ating shelf o ng ating rack para pumantay siya o mag-balance. Aside sa manual na hindi naman natin binabasa, ay tinitignan lang natin yung mga pictures para sa step by step sa pagbuo nito. May kasama siyang mga tools at tornilyo, ayan, na gagamitin natin o magagamit natin para sa pagbuo o pag-install ng ating CR rack. Isa din talaga sa nagustuhan ko dito ay very durable siya and waterproof dahil nga stainless siya. Sa halagang 550 pesos plus shipping fee na 155 pesos. Pero syempre nakakuha tayo ng coupons na 80 pesos plus meron pa tayong nakuhang TikTok shipping coupons na 50 pesos. Kaya parang lumalabas na 25 pesos lang yung ating shipping fee. Kaya ang total natin ay 575 pesos lang. So ito lang yung binayaran natin. Nagkaroon na tayo ng isang high quality stainless storage shelf or CR rack.
tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing.